Looking to optimize your Magento store in the UK? We dive into the best Magento hosting practices and e-commerce strategies to boost your online store. Stay tuned! Magento is a popular choice for e-commerce businesses in the UK. This is due to its robust features that allow it to create a high-performing, secure, and efficient online store. We'll cover key e-commerce strategies to attract more shoppers, how to choose a Magento hosting provider in the UK, and top Magento apps that can boost your store's success. First, we'll share some of Magento's vital statistics for the UK market. As of the first quarter of 2024, there are nearly 146,000 active Magento stores in the UK, indicating significant growth. Now, let's dive into 7 key strategies that can improve your shopper's experience. 1. Localize your online presence to meet local preferences. 2. Enhance your post-purchase experience with excellent customer service and engagement. 3. Focus on reducing customer acquisition costs by evolving your delivery and returns policy. 4. Create a positive brand perception through high-quality content. 5. Adopt and promote sustainable practices. 6. Prioritize website usability and performance. 7. Emphasize on data security. Now, let's move on to the best practices for Magento hosting in the UK. 1. Choose the right type of hosting for your store. Dedicated hosting or cloud hosting could be ideal for scalability, performance, and security. 2. Prioritize performance and uptime. Choose a Magento hosting provider that guarantees high uptime and fast load times. 3. Ensure your provider offers SSL certificates and robust security measures to protect customer data. Now, let's explore 5 popular Magento apps in the UK. 1. Amisty's improved layered navigation enhances searchability in Magento stores. 2. Ajax Cart Pro by Aheadworks offers a smooth add-to-cart experience. 3. Yotpo Reviews helps generate and showcase customer content like reviews and visual media. 4. Help Desk Ultimate by Aheadworks provides a comprehensive customer service system. 5. Loyalty Lion enables Magento stores to implement customized loyalty programs. These apps will help you improve customer experience and boost your store's success. Your goal is to provide a seamless and secure shopping experience for your customers. Choosing a suitable Magento hosting provider is an important part of achieving this goal. So, that's the lowdown on optimizing Magento hosting. Now it's over to you. Put these tips into practice and see your store thrive. Remember to hit the like button if you found this helpful, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who might benefit.